A first appearance hearing is where the defendant comes before the judge for the first time within 48 hours after being arrested without a warrant or 72 hours after being arrested with a warrant. At their first appearance, they have the right to be informed of their charges, their bond amount, any special conditions, and their next court date. With regard to special conditions, if there are victims involved, then there could be a special condition that they stay away from the victim. Also, at the first appearance, they have the right to be informed of their rights. For instance, the right to have an attorney represent them. If they cannot afford one, there is an application that they must complete, and the judge determines whether they qualify for the public defender or a court-appointed attorney if there's a conflict with the public defender's office. They also have the right to have a trial. At their trial, they have the right to see, hear, and cross-examine any witnesses that the city might bring to testify against them. They have the right to bring their own witnesses, and they have the right to testify on their own behalf. They also have the right to remain silent and to know that their silence will not be held against them. Understand that the first appearance is not their trial date, so if they do choose to have a trial, then the case will be reset. In addition to being able to know their rights, they have the right to speak with the prosecutor or the solicitor, with the understanding that the solicitor does not represent them, but the City of Atlanta. It is an opportunity for them to negotiate an offer or a plea in order to resolve their case that day by entering a plea of either guilty or nolo. In the case where there are victims in the case, many times the officers will give the victims on the scene a copy of the citation or notice that the defendant will come to court on a particular day. So if the victims are there, they are likely represented by the victim's advocate office, but also they have the ability or the opportunity to speak with the solicitor as well, so that they are satisfied with the offer that's given to the defendant and the plea that's being accepted by the judge.